how to redeem Roblox gift card code. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video, I will tell you how you guys can do that. So the process was same for Android, PC, iPhone, or Samsung. So for that, we will simply go to browser. So I will go to Chrome browser. Here you guys will search for Roblox redeem. So once you search for that, simply search. Now here the first website you guys can see Roblox gift cards. You simply click here. Once you click here, wait for some seconds. Now here you guys will see shop gift cards out on top right corner. You guys will see redeem card. So simply click on redeem card. Once you click here, wait for some seconds. Here you need to log in your Roblox ID. So simply I will log in. After login your ID, you guys will see redeem Roblox code is also code. So here you need to simply paste your Roblox code. And once you paste, you simply click on the redeem. So once you click on the redeem, your Roblox coins will be redeemed. That's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.